Okay, what's that? Yo.
Do you know me? Suppose you are, why not? Here comes the bride. This is the what we call the
This is what we call the Nigerian citizen.
SW403040I. Been revised.
Penal code.
As you open the chamber here,
Zoom.
open.
Pakita mo yung bull barrel natin.
See the bull barrel.
Yeah.
Here. This is the bull, this is the pet. Don't laugh at me, please.
Yung chamber, yung...
The chamber. This is what we call the bull
Ayaw
barrel.
tanong sa imong nong, pre.
Kaoy.
Kasi upload natin kasi... Hindi natin ng bala. Kamikaze pa, no? Suicide attempt. This is the actual suicide.
You're joking at me, huh? You can see.
Saga na.
One. Sige, lawa. Jacqueline, may go ka.
Hawa, safety lang ah, bahala na.
And for the open safety.
Treat your gun as if it's loaded.
Okay.
It's always...
For the sake of fun lang, video kaya.
Ego yun, itlog siya ron.
Engage ang one.
Mana?
Kaso isa?
Glock.
Glock dito ko ano Glock, as you can see, this is the Glock.
Glock 26.
Glock 26 subcompact.
So,
Okay, we have the accessories here like lasers, as you can see. Guys, you can see.
Point sa kwan, sa may wagang medyas ni parang kampanyera.
Point.
That's the only medyas available in YouTube.
No joking, please.
Kapiyaan niyo eh.
No magazine at all, no bullet, but be safe always. As you can see, open chamber.
Okay.
Oh.
That's right.
Okay. Close.
Okay.
And
Action!
action.
Wala pa iba dyan?